and there are so many other forest produce like imli, tamarind, you can say tamarind, tendupatta is here commonly known as a green gold, sir. So just a minute, sir. Sir, so this about this, sir, about 80 to 81% area of our district is covered by the different forest areas, sir. In this forest area, about 6,500, 5,869 square kilometer area is covered by the forest, sir. And about 80% population is our ST population. These are have, as you know, sir, they have different sorts of uh, different sorts of minus forest produce around the year. The fashion is hello. Am I audible, sir? Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, you are audible. Please go ahead.
Sir. So, sir, we are having from state government, we are having different different manner for forest produce. They are so it includes Tendupadda, Emli, Mahua, and Mahua B, sir. And we are having standard rate for it, sir. Standard rate for it for each quintal and bora. And last year only, sir, we have last year only for Tendupatta collectors, sir, we are having different schemes like Bima Yojana is there, stipend for Chhatravitti Yojana is there for them, and other schemes also there, sir. In 39, in these all these schemes are about 39 crore. 39 total 39 crore has been oh, out of these 39 crores, sir. Tendupatta is 30 about 30 crore. Tendupatta have been purchased from the uh, villagers, sir. These these uh, these these collectors have their registration in the forest department, sir, as Tendupatta collectors, and they tried and all these materials, whatever the forest produce, they get it from the forest in the form of raw material, and they get collected, sir. They collect it, and they and outlet that has been created by the forest department, they purchase it, sir.
Ravi sir, your presentation has been completed.
Okay, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, it's okay, sir. It's completed.
Jury members?
Yes. Please tell us how many people have benefited from this and how much they are earning.
Sir, including last year, sir, 4,000, about sir,
Yes.
about 60,000 beneficiaries has been benefited from it, sir, and about 30 crore rupees 30 crore rupees has been dissipated to them, sir.
What are the challenges you met in implementing this project? One or two challenges?
sir, the biggest challenge is this year was than last year was about the corona, sir, because of this pandemic, they were not able to collect it properly without maintaining all this COVID protocol, sir. And later on, the contractor, those who purchase all these things from forest, they were also uh, posing some hindrance, sir. So this was the first problem, and but forest department, including with the help of the district administration, we convinced them, and by thoroughly following the COVID protocols like testing. First of all, we brought all these laborers of forest contractor 15 days before, sir. We kept them in quarantine. Later on, we allowed them to uh, to work with the help with the villagers, sir.
Okay,
This was the main problem that we faced, sir.
okay. Thank you.
Sir, this year, what has been the impact of pandemic on these economic activities?
Uh,
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Mr. Mohan,
Hello.
I think there is. Yes, I wanted to know what has been the impact of this year's pandemic on these economic activities, and what is the outlook, how it is now expected to pick up.
Sir, this year, uh, as we follow the COVID protocol, sir, we did not face major problem because collection of different forest producer. We by following this COVID protocol with the help of collectors and other forest department like this, we allowed them to collect it, sir, but with proper distancing, social distancing, sir. So in collection, sir, there is no such downfall is there.
But what about the selling of the produce in the market?
No, there is no such sort of downfall is not there, sir. They sold their product produce at the same quantum.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.